With Tiny Tools blending modes, you can organize your most used blending modes exactly the way you like. By default, the panel opens in Category View. On the right, you'll find the blending mode categories. Instead of scrolling through Photoshop's long blending mode list, the modes are grouped by their function. Click a category to see all blend modes within it, such as the lighten or darken modes. On the left are 5 customizable favorite buttons. Empty buttons display a number, such as 05. Click one to choose any blend mode. Once assigned, the button displays a 1 or 2 letter abbreviation instead. From the panel menu, you can switch to Favorites view. This hides the categories and replaces them with a total of 12 customizable favorite buttons. It's the perfect layout if you already know which blending modes you use most and want instant access to them. You'll also find the Show Empty Favorites option in the panel menu. It's enabled by default. When disabled, all unused favorite buttons are hidden, giving the remaining buttons more space and making them easier to click. This option is available in both Category View and Favorites View.
Any favorite button can also be turned into a separator. This allows you to organize your favorites into groups, making the panel even easier to navigate. Every favorite button supports a few handy shortcuts. Alt-click always switches to the normal blend mode, regardless of which button you click. That way, you don't have to dedicate a favorite button to normal. Control-click toggles between the current and the previously used blend mode, making it quick to switch back and forth while working. Right-click any favorite button to open the complete list of blend modes and assign a different one. The available shortcuts are also shown at the top of the menu. You can export your complete configuration from the panel menu and import it again whenever you need it. This makes it easy to back up your setup or transfer it to another computer. Download a free trial version now and see for yourself how much the Tiny Tools plugins simplify your everyday work.